What's up, my YouTube squad? It's your boy Info Mike, and I'm back with another video. I'm currently about to be on my way to a car meet, so I'll let y'all know once I get there, But like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Appreciate you. What's up, Info Squad? I just arrived at the car meet, so I'm about to show y'all all the beautiful builds, and we just gonna enjoy it today, like for real. I mean, it just started, but I'm gonna show y'all everything. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. That's a nice Subaru right here, Mustang. I got the Mustang boys. That's a 440i, I believe. I forget. That's my car. It's a nice Audi right here. Super nice wrap. This is tough. I want to get copyright, then yeah.
I'm gonna make a quick little ride with my partner with the picture. They got a little ride down there.
All the bikes down here. Bike crew.
And it fucked up all of this, and then it fucked this up too.
Oh
but,
shit.
Yeah.
It's still nice, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Like, you got some nice ass fucking drums, bro.
Nah, bro.
Like, I thought that was a wrap, bro.
I gotta respray that.
That shit look nice, bro. Y'all see this, man? You got the cleanest 430i out here, man.
Yeah, I gotta respray that and do it, and I gotta fix my coolant leak, bro.
Oh yeah, that shit tough. That's actually my dude, though. Yeah, what's up?